Hello friends, today we are here to introduce an advanced and practical tool for Forex traders, presented by the TradingFinder group. The name of this tool is Forex Sessions and Market Hours, which is a special and practical extension for scalpers, day traders, and session traders. With this tool, they can easily check the opening and closing status and the time frames of various trading sessions, and examine the time frames of different trading sessions and perform their own analysis. Traders can read this page to understand how the extension works. To access it, go to the Forex Sessions and Market Hours extension section, select the option to be redirected, and choose Add to Chrome to download. After downloading, pin it for quick access by selecting the pin option. Then, open the extension to access the page. At the top, see the TradingFinder logo and the extension name. Below, view your GMT and current time. In the Market Sessions tab, see the 6 main Forex market sessions: Sydney, Tokyo, Shanghai, Frankfurt, London, and New York. After downloading the extension, to access it more quickly and easily, we can pin it to the top of our page from the Forex Sessions and Stock Market section by selecting the pin option. Then, by selecting the extension, we open the relevant page. At the top, find the TradingFinder logo and the name of the extension. Below, find your GMT time and the current time. In the first tab, Market Sessions, are the 6 Forex market sessions: Sydney, Tokyo, Shanghai, Frankfurt, London, and New York. Find the opening and closing times for each below. Sydney is 9 p.m. 5 a.m., Tokyo 11 p.m. 7 a.m., Shanghai 1 a.m. 9 a.m., Frankfurt 7 a.m. 4 p.m., London 8 a.m. 4 p.m., and New York 1 p.m. 9 p.m. Each shows if it's open or closed and shows time left to open or close. You can see the opening and closing time frames for each session: Sydney 9 p.m. 5 a.m., Tokyo 11 p.m. 7 a.m., Shanghai 1 a.m. 9 a.m., Frankfurt 7 a.m. 4 p.m., London 8 a.m. 4 p.m., New York 1 p.m. 9 p.m. In the World Clock tab, view the 6 main Forex sessions: Sydney, Tokyo, Shanghai, Frankfurt, London, New York with GMT times. The New York session is open from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. Check the remaining time until a session opens or closes. In the World Clock tab, see the 6 main Forex market sessions, with GMT times displayed next to them. In the section in front, you can also see the current time frame for each session. In Settings, Customize Market, enable or disable session display. Only London and New York sessions will be displayed. In the section next to it, you can see the current time frame for each session. In the next section, under the Settings tab, in the Customize Market area, by selecting this option, you can enable or disable the display of each session. Here, I will disable 4 sessions and only keep the London and New York sessions active. So in the Market Sessions section, only the London and New York sessions will be displayed for me. I'll set it to default. In the next section, there is the Language section, where you can see 5 different languages and choose the one you like, including English, Istanbul Turkish, Russian, Arabic, and Persian. In the next section, the time format offers 2 options: 12-hour and 24-hour. Default is 24-hour. Traders can choose 12-hour. I'll keep it. In the next section, the GMT offset lets you search for your desired GMT time. For instance, selecting New York GMT changes my GMT and current time. I set it as the default. In the next section, there's the GMT offset, where you can search for your desired GMT time. For example, here I search for New York time, and by selecting New York GMT, I change my GMT along with my current time. The time frames of the extension and the settings can change as well. In the next section, you can select the default tab. In this tab, when you open the extension, it can show you the Market Session tab or the Book Clock tab, which is set to Market Session by default, but you can also choose the Book Clock tab to set it as the default. The next section contains the dedicated theme for this extension, which has 2 modes, light and dark. The light mode is the default, and you can also choose dark mode. I will put it in advance. And in the last section, there is the Right Ace section. By selecting this option, you can give us points and access various trading tools. Traders can analyze and trade on preferred pairs during session openings, closings. Trade GBP USD, GBP EUR, EUR USD. For example, during overlap, the London and New York sessions are known as the most volatile and most frequently traded Forex time frames. Traders can place their trades for GBP USD, GB PER, or USD currency pairs during the overlap of these sessions, or during the overlap of the London and Tokyo sessions, can execute their trades on the GBP JPY currency pair. Find the extension on the Chrome Web Store or search TradingFinder on Google. Select the Chrome Web Store link. Tutorial ends. Share feedback. In the extension section, by searching for the name of the extension, you can reach the relevant page. You can repeat steps again, or search on Google by entering the name of the extension along with TradingFinder. The related pages will be displayed, including the Chrome Web Store page and the TradingFinder page. Select the Chrome Web Store page to repeat steps. Friends, we've reached the end of this extension tutorial. Please share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section. The relevant pages will be displayed for you, including the Chrome Web Store page and the TradingFinder page. By selecting the Chrome Web Store page, you will be directed to the relevant page where you can go through the steps again. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this extension tutorial. We would be happy if you could share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.